Hello everyone, this is the demonstration phase of the dual random walker project. So we have two minis and we have near infrared sensor on both sides of the head. We use EDBOT 5.2 and Phony 3.24 I think. And among the other modules that we need to use, we use Pygame to take care of the keyboard interfacing and some graphical display. And we're going to use threading because each of the robot will be represented by its own thread. So let's look at it. Some detail on the threading. Other detail are in the book, so I won't repeat it here. So in the main method, we have two events, game start and game over. And we define three threads. First thread corresponds to the method go 0. Second thread corresponds to go zork. And the third thread corresponds to game aim method. So when T1 start, it start the method starting, and then it stop pretty quickly with a wait for the game starts event. So it's blocking the rest of the code very quickly. Same thing for go zork, it start, got blocked. Game end, it start and it got blocked. So at the beginning, it wait for the user to press on the P keyboard or the P on the keyboard, and then game start set would start and then trigger the process of running all the threads, especially go 0 and go zork. So game state gets set, and then it unblock, and then go 0, go down, print out go 0 start, and then enter a while true loop, so an endless loop. And this is keep on looping. So essentially 0 will essentially walk at random and avoid obstacle along the way, but they keep on repeating that. There's no way to break it out, and then we have to talk about the key event stop next. So same thing for the go zork, unblock it, go through his own endless loop. So eventually, if the user wants to stop the game, push on key S, it will, you can see it stop the robot, initial pose, both of them. Game over set signal. When that is sent, it unblock the game end thread. It goes through, second repeat of the stopping the bot. We will use EDBOT to voice out, game is over, both of them. And then push on reset true, reset here. So when reset is true is set, both of the endless loop will encounter this situation. If reset is true, it would, and then finally it break out of the endless loop, and then the thread for go 0 and thread for go zork will be concluded. Also, just to be on the safe side, when you push, then the user push the key S, the program will also set reset true, so it will stop two thread two possible ways, just to be sure. And this is what it looks like at runtime. So when you start the Python session, a little picture come up with the counter coming on, and then in the video you'll see it later, but usually they start out by announcing they are ready for the game, and then when you push P, they start going. Like this example here, you see zork is happen to be facing the wall here, and so the right sensor is close to the wall, so you see it starting turning left, and while turning left far enough, it turn on the LED to signify that it cleared this, and then it start doing random walking again. This happened to be 0. 0 happened to be facing the left side closer to the wall than the right side. So you see that 0 will turn right until clear, and then once again flash all the LED when it's turning away from the wall far enough. And something problem is, this is the problem, it's not really of the code, but in this example here, when I run it, I saw that, oh, this is zork, he just turned away from obstacle and he started doing his stuff. But Zira didn't do anything. And then when I checked, I just lost connection to Zira through the Bluetooth, and EDBOT for some reason disconnected itself. It didn't want it. Okay, so that's kind of the main issue usually when we work with multiple robots in EDBOT. We don't know why it want to cut off. But here we go. So
you're ready for the game. You
can hear some of the voices from EDBOT. So when its waker is ready, see everything, make sure everybody connected. I already started the thing here, start clicking. Push P, it start. And if you notice, the thread alternates.
Emergency stop starts.
So Zira emergency stop here.
Zero emergency stop end.
Zork random walking.
So we see you can hear the thread bouncing between the two.
Zork random walking.
So Zira is clearing out.
Random walking.
When she's clearing out, she's gonna flash the light. Here we go.
Zork random walking.
And then start walking. Zork is walking.
Zork random walking.
Zero random walking.
Zork random walking.
So I push Zork close to the wall just to trigger the response.
Zero random walking.
So Zork is gonna.
Zork emergency stop starts.
So emergency stop on Zork.
Zork emergency stop end.
So Zira still doing the step.
Zork avoiding obstacle.
Zero random walking.
So Zork is starting to get out of the obstacle. This one walking. Here we go. I pull Zira out of the way so you can see his Zork there flashing. And Zira stopped walking. That's usually when you lost a connection, but I didn't know at the time. You gotta keep on seeing Zork going around okay, but Zira not happening. It's like,
Zork random walking.
So I go here and I push stop, and the game is stopped.
Over.
But it takes some time to shut down the thread.